This is Dennis Howard with The Track. Today we are with Jessie. Jessie, who are you?
Hi, my name is Jessie Boone. I'm with WIRTGEN America, and I am a market development manager for recycling products.
Jessie, I'm so excited to have somebody with more of an accent than I am on the show.
Nice. I've got it in spades.
Tell us about the W380 CRI.
So this Swiss Army knife machine is capable of milling. It's capable of receiving bituminous stabilization agents and then doing CIR, which is cold in place recycling, FDR, which is full depth reclamation, and paver-laid FDR.
So let's talk about that. Let's start right here. What do we got going on?
Okay, so right here is where the asphalt binder goes into the equipment, and then here is where compaction water is introduced.
If we were processing, there would be tanks here with these products in them.
Yes, you can run tanks from behind or from the side. Typically, if you want to keep the road open, you can run it straight from behind, both tanks. If you can shut the road down, then they can run on either side.
Now let's start here at the drum and work our way forward a little bit.
It's a milling drum, but with a down cut action in order to get proper gradation for compaction.
We could run a WR and tear this up and then go back and do this process in pieces. This train lets us do it at one time.
One time.
It's kind of the big change of the two.
It's definitely,
yeah. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Where the asphalt binder goes in, is that in front or is that behind the drum?
There is a spray bar that's housed on top of the drum. And so that's where your liquids or your foams are going to interact with the drum as it's doing its cutting motion. So it's picking up asphalt here and or base and pulverizing it in place, introducing whatever binding agent you're putting through it, as well as compaction water, and then mixing it and then putting it out the neck into a paver.
There could be nothing on this roadbed, or there could be something on the roadbed. Either way, if it's there, it's going to take it, process it. If it's not there, it's going to just go down whatever depth, 8, 10 inches, whatever we're cutting down to create that base.
This machine can go deeper than a normal milling machine. That's why we call it the Swiss Army knife. With this machine, you can do cold in place recycling, which is only pulverizing the existing asphalt, maybe some stone underneath, but no subgrade. With this project here, we're doing what's called paver-laid FDR, meaning we're capturing whatever surface is on top as well as the subgrade underneath, pulverizing everything. So in layman terms, we're taking the chip seal, if it's there, we're taking the asphalt, we're taking any kind of stone base underneath, as well as whatever soils may be underneath too. That's what qualifies it as FDR. Because we're putting it into the VÖGELE paver, that's when it becomes paver-laid FDR.
People are going to try to understand why this is different than a mill. It has more functionality, and that makes a lot of sense.
You can do 4 different applications with this. You can mill and just mill. You can do CIR, you can do FDR, or you can do paver-laid FDR.
Without this, they would be bringing in a lot of different machines to accomplish the same thing. So we got a lot of stuff going on here, but now we get here and it looks like a regular milling machine.
It does, yeah. The first half of this machine, including the drum, would be just a regular milling machine. It's the back half that makes it the Swiss Army knife.
What have we not talked about that people need to understand about this Swiss Army knife?
You can pull 1 lane mile at one time. Versus if you had a WR, the WR's drum is not wide enough to do a full lane mile. This one is. The construction process is a lot faster in that you're getting half of the road done in one fell swoop.
So this would be a full lane mill if it was just a mill.
Right.
Okay, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So what about the technology, like to set your depths, all that works with this machine too?
Yes.
I mean, somebody's buying the spread like this, they want to make sure they're taken care of. So how do you see that partnership between RDO? How do you see all that coming together?
I tell all of our customers that maintenance is key, cleaning is key. Please take care of what you've got. Oils, grease, all of that is listed on the component itself, so you know when you're supposed to do the daily maintenance and the maintenance throughout the month. But I see RDO and WIRTGEN helping them not fall short on taking care of the equipment so that it lasts its lifetime.
So we've given them clear direction on how to make it last. Now they've got to do their part and we got to do our part.
They do,
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
Everybody has to do their part.
Okay, that's fair. I do know, talking to the guys about what they did earlier, they said it was real easy to run this machine. It looks very complicated, but they said to operate it was not bad at all.
That was only the second day that many of these guys have ever even been on a machine like
Exactly,
this.
yes. Yeah.
And the fact that it went very well, I mean, really is a testament to how easy these things are operated.
Yeah, that's all they were talking about this morning, is how easy this thing was to operate. Like, we were surprised it was this.
It was a new rodeo for them, wasn't it?
It was a new rodeo.
One they've
for
never
them.
been on.
Jesse, thank you very much. The Swiss Army knife, it truly is. Thank you. We really appreciate it.
Oh yeah, thank you. And
All
let's
right.
sell some more.
All right, let's do it. Hey, I'm Dennis Howard. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you soon. For the recycling products, is that your title?
Nope.
Okay, what is your title?
You want to just let the
Where the asphalt binder goes in, is that in front or is that behind the drum?
it would be behind. Why are you? I told you not to ask me technical.
Very
I
useful.
had a hair on my lip. I like to throw little jabs in there.